In today's video, we are going to show you how to short sell on XTB. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials inside the platform. I want you to hover on the My Trade section, which can be found on the left side area of the dashboard. But before we begin, here is a quick explanation on short selling. On XTB, shorting is done through the CFDs. So if you are on the market watch, hover to the ETF and more and you can find the CFD or contracts for difference. Because shorting involves leverage and higher risks, so make sure you understand the risks before trading. Now, on the CFDs, these are going to be your multiple instruments. These are stocks. For example, we are looking for automation and robotics. Now, this is the most important part because if you click on it, a new option will appear. You will see two buttons. Number one is going to be the sell button and the buy button. To short the market, I want you to click the sell, right? Now, remember on XTB, selling means you're opening a short position by providing a specific volume for that. You set your trade size, and then if you want to have more control, I want you to right click on it so you can set a stop loss. For example, if the price is at 100, you will believe it will drop to 90 and you place a sell trade at 100. Okay, for example, 100 right here. Okay, you need to set a stop loss before your entry, for example, at 105. All right, now right click again here to open the chart so that the instrument will appear on the chart panel. If you double click on it, a new window will appear. You have the market order as well as the limit order. For the market order, you can set a specific volume, for example 69, and you may notice that the contract value as well as the margin has changed. You can also go to the stop and limit order tab. Here you can sell the limit and buy the limit. Now remember, short selling uses margin or leverage, and never trade without a stop loss. Okay? Always manage your risks. And if you are new here, consider using the demo account first. Go to the top right corner, click the demo account. And basically, that's how to short sell on XTB. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.